'cause I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to her and defend him still today. And I don't know if I'm singing the right words, but I'll sing them anyway. Look at that moon. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my head. Oh, now his horses are running. His horses are running. You're scaring the crap out of your horses, Wendover. Oh, my Lanta. Wow. That's like in your face. That was a pretty good angle. Is this a big one or just a Roman candle? Aim it at him. He has his little hoodie on. He has his little hoodie on. Did that hit his shoe? Did you hear that?
The mark is set, go. Hold on. Oh shit. Get it. Get out of there. Jessica, get out of there. Oh.
That just killed my freaking ear hole.
Yeah. Well, you're telling you to get out of there.
Oh my gosh.
You alright?
Yeah. The heck? Oh my goodness gracious. It's gonna break.
Yeah, I don't think you hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Go, wind, run! This thing's gonna blast!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Oh shit!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I thought I was gonna shoot out that way.
Shoot the chair.
Shoot the chair! Oh, that's pretty good. Get a bunch of those.
Watch out. Watch out, yeah. Oh my gosh. You freaking dork. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, let's do three. Let's do three.
That was perfect, huh? Let's do 5. Boom,
I didn't
boom.
think it was gonna work. I know. I thought they were just gonna both blow up inside. I know. At least one of them.
I got that on camera.
Wrong. There you go.
Oh, oh, Rio. Oh, oh, Rio, Rio. What if they all blow up in the tube? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Seth dunks down. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure? One didn't land in your
You
hair?
look pretty scared.
He's all.
I was like, oh.
To me and I go out. You bunghole. Holy cow. That scared the shit out of me. You're gonna light your field on fire. Anyway, happy 4th of July, everybody.